Good afternoon. This is Brent Crandall with the Blind Depot again. I want to show you the space we've been working on today. It's kind of cold, so we've got a fire going outside. We're in North Dallas, and we have this beautiful porch. Now, you're going to have to use your imagination here a little bit because this is not a finished product. There is going to be a pool in the yard. So out here. So what we did, the customer wanted some solar control for the mornings and also some insect control. So what we did is we installed these universal screens, as you can see up here. We did our best. The customer wanted them on the inside so that from the pool she didn't see them. So we're going to walk out there. I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to get. Grab the remote control here. Let me turn around. So from the outside, you're really seeing nothing at all. We did have to do a little bit of trickery on the corners to make it happen. But we do have a remote control that operates all the shades at once and at a pretty significantly long range. So this is what we're going to be dealing with. Now we can see them dropping down, and we'll drop them down all the way till we get some coverage on these windows, on these openings. These are universal screens made right here in Plano, Texas. The material is a Pfeiffer Suntex 90, so it is a 90% UV block. It also makes it pretty dark, being that it's black, but black is also the easiest color to see through. So when they're down, we've got it tracked in on the sides. It creates a bug-free seal. And another beautiful installation. Motorization by Somfy and installation by your friends at the Blind Depot. If you want to talk to us about this, you can. Our number is 972-644-9411. You can reach us at blinddepotdfw.com as well. And if you don't know what DFW is for, you are probably outside of our service area. Have a great day. We're going to go back where it's warm, and thank you for watching.